I'm Nate Sadie Sparks from Hermosa Beach Marketing, and today's your Man Minute, and today we're talking about male ingenuity. See this bridge? It took a long time to figure out that this bridge is not the way you build a bridge, but they do it anyway. In the middle of the rainforest, you use whatever it is that you have, and eventually they'll get real good at it. This bridge, probably pretty good. Semis come over this bridge, but it will be better. Male ingenuity. That's your Man Minute for the day, right here from Manaus, Brazil.
This is your Man Minute.